Good morning, Legion. We have the Eco Collab call tomorrow, January 15th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. It's the first one of the year, and it's exclusively available to only the Ascendant rank and above from within the Near Legion rank system. Now for our AI stories today, there are 3, and all of them focus on the intersection of AI and unemployment and what that means for the future. First up, Michael Burry, famous for his prediction of the 2008 financial crisis, makes a new prediction about how even blue-collar jobs may not be safe from AI. In a future where an AI model can help you fix things on your own, Burry reasons that less people will need to rely on the expertise of certain blue-collar workers like electricians or plumbers. While this may sound exaggerated, it definitely does suggest that new AI-enabled capabilities will make it easier for most people to just do it themselves. This thesis was put forward on a podcast with the co-founder of Anthropic that is linked below and is a highly recommended listen. Next up, Bill Gates talks about a dark age ahead. As Fortune writes, Bill Gates warns the world is going backwards and gives 5-year deadline before we enter a new dark age. Is that exaggerated? As Inc. writes, future innovation will revolve around AI. In fact, Gates believes that of all the things humans have ever created, AI will change society the most. I can't emphasize that point enough in the lead up to what Near is building for user-owned AI. Gates goes on to say that AI will change society the most through these 2 key challenges: the use of AI by bad actors and disruption of the job market. He warns that humanity will need to be thoroughly prepared to face these concerns using foresight and care to facilitate effective progress in the coming years. Are you optimistic or not? Tell us in the comments below. And on that note, it's worth emphasizing that Near's vision of user-owned AI remains the leading AI vision of the future that will enhance your life and make sure that you own your AI, that your AI works for you, and then that the productive intelligence that you may gain from AI is the one that the creator ultimately controls at the end of the day. See you on the Eco Collab call tomorrow. We'll do this all again real soon.